How to fix Windows 11 can't connect to the organization's activation server. So if you want to fix Windows 11 can't connect to the organization's activation server, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. First, you need to simply open up your settings and you need to change the product key. So search for settings and then open up your settings. Once you're under settings, you need to go with the system, which is on the left side, and scroll down, and here you will have an option of activation. Click on it, and under activation, you'll have change product key. Go with the right side, which has change. Click on it, and here you need to enter the product key, and you need to go with next, and you need to change the product key. Once you've changed it, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is open up your control panel. Search for control panel. Once you search, now here you will have the troubleshooting option. You just need to simply go with troubleshooting. But if you don't find the troubleshooting right here, then just go with search control panel and search for troubleshooting. And here on the first you will have it. Just click on troubleshooting. And after that, you will find the network adapter troubleshooter. You just need to simply go and run the network adapter troubleshooter. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then you just need to simply verify if the system was activated through a volume licensing agreement. So to do that, you need to open up your CMD, which is command prompt. Go with run as administrator. Click on yes. Now here you need to enter the command, which is slmgr.vbs//dlv and hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, it will verify the system, or it will verify if the system was activated through a volume licensing agreement. And after that, restart your device and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, you need to go and activate your Windows 11 through your phone. To do so, you need to enter a command in your run box. So just right click on your start and go with run. You'll get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply enter something like slui.exe4 and then hit the enter. And Windows activation will pop up on your screen. You just need to simply go with yes and it will activate. So that's how you can fix your Windows 11 can't connect to the organization's activation server. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.